What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This is a long-awaited video, and it was also asked by this guy by the name of Bodyguard. He wanted me to drop a video on using your visible hotspot. I got on my Pixel right here, as you can see, visible in Google Fi. Okay, so I'm using visible as the mobile hotspot. And I'm going to stream video on my smart TV using this portable hotspot or hotspot from the mobile phone using my unlimited data. All right, so Visible does have a limited hotspot, you know. And so here is the basic setup. What you want to do is you want to find your hotspot on your mobile phone. So I got that on, right? So I want to turn it off. I'm going to turn it on. So I turned it back on. Okay, so I turned on the hotspot, and as you can see, the icon at the top, it says the little hotspot logo. Okay, so I did a video like this before with AT&T, but now I'm showing you guys how to use it with your Visible Wireless. So also another way you can do is you can hold this hotspot icon down, just hold it down, and it'll take you right here. All right, as you can see, it says Wi-Fi hotspot, one device connected, and that's the TV that's connected. All right, so basically you tap on that and it's going to give you all the instructions and directions and stuff like that. You can even use QR code with your hotspot. So you can even share your hotspot with your QR code. I think this is only on a Pixel though and iPhones. I'm not sure about any other phone, but yeah, so you could do that. You can use the QR code. That's another option. Connect it with other devices. So you put the password in. Okay, so we got it all turned on. All right, let me put the phone down real quick. So I put the phone down. I'm using it as a hotspot. So in order to find the hotspot on your Roku or wherever, you go to the settings. So you go to the settings of your smart TV or laptop, whatever device. All right, you go to network. You go to about. Okay, so as you can see, it's showing that it's already connected, wireless, excellent connection, wireless channel, showing all that stuff like that. But you want to check connection. Let's just go to setup. So we go to setup, and this is how you set it up. Go to setup connection, hit the wireless. It's going to scan for all wireless networks. All right, so I named mine Visible Hotspot. And the way you can customize your name on your mobile device for your hotspot, what you want to do is, I'm going to show you this real fast. Once again, let's go through that real shortcut. Okay. Now you want to go to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Now you want to go to hotspot name. So that's how I changed it. All right. So you can customize the hotspot name any way you want to. So that's how you do that part. All right. Let me just show you that real quick. Okay. So we're on the Visible hotspot. Boom, let me click on that. Boom, you put in your password. Boom, hit connection. Boom, boom, pow. Here we go. We connected. Now, let's do some testing. So we're going to go home. Let me try out a channel app or something. All right, so let's go to Roku channel, just for instance. Roku channel. All right. Okay, channels are loading up. The stations are loading up. Boom, pow, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right, what y'all want to watch? What y'all want to watch? What y'all want to watch? Let's check out a little clip of Dark Skies. Boom, let's tap on that. Loading. Boom, let's hit the play button. Loading. Boom. That's all you get. All right, so you can see that look much, okay? You want me to do something else? All right, let's go to Pluto TV. Let's just see what Pluto TV is. All right, let's see how well it loads. Pluto TV loading. And this is going to vary your connection, your coverage. I hear some. Boom. There we go. All right. So it's not too bad, y'all. Not too bad. Once again, the data, it depends on your coverage of which network you're on, T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, Sprint. It really depends on the coverage in your area and which you live. If you're using a mobile hotspot. Now, a lot of people are using this stuff for RVs. So a lot of people are using this for traveling. And if they don't want to pay for hotel internet, they'll use their hotspot on their phones and stuff like that. Or you want to get on your local library internet or bookstore internet, stuff like that. So that's why you use this hotspot. And yes, it's unlimited on the Verizon network. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Did you know you can use your visible wireless mobile hotspot for smart TVs, tablets, and gaming? I haven't used it on the Nintendo Switch, and I'm going to do another video for that one too. So, all right, here we go. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.